Okay, I've got a 2013 Nissan Altima. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light on this. You click your power button twice. Do not put your foot on the brake. You don't want to start the engine. Just click that twice. It'll bring up your menu. Over on the side here, you're going to have a menu button, which is this button here, and then you're going to have your selector button, and then these are going to be your up and down buttons. So you look on your menu here, click the menu button. You're going to go through until you bring up your maintenance screen, and then you're going to click on the down button here. So you click down to maintenance, and then you're going to push on enter. You're going to go to service. You're going to push on enter. You're going to go down to reset, push on enter, reset, and reset to back to 5,000 miles, so you're good to go. And then you come back out of that, go to your menu button and go back to the screen.